Hey everyone, this is Brett Schiller, your Tampa Bay real estate professional, here showing off a very unique property type today. These are actually some townhomes that are being built lagoon front. And I'm located in the community of Epperson in the city of Wesley Chapel, one of the most sought after communities and cities in the entire Tampa Bay area. And they just started building these, built by Biscayne Homes, and really unique product, and I'm excited to show it to you today. The Biscayne Homes does an incredibly good job at their build. It's a semi-custom builder. You can kind of pick which floor plan you want, pick the options inside of it, pick the lot that you want, so you get more customization with a builder like Biscayne. And as you can see, this is a little bit of what the home looks like behind me. And of course, you have the option to be lagoon front, facing that water source. So hey, if this is your first time to my channel, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Brett Schiller. My goal is to be a resource for you in your journey looking for real estate in the Tampa Bay area. If I can be of a help with that, my number's on the screen. Reach out to me, that's what I'm here for. Send me a text, send me an email. It goes directly to me and I respond to all of those. So if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. Let's get to this tour.
All right, diving right into this Dalia floor plan. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. You got your 2-car garage. Your square foot's 2,132 square feet, and starting price as of the time of this recording, which is October of 23, is $529,990, just under $530. Now these are the lagoon residences, so you're gonna have some of that lagoon front property. The finishes in here are awesome. You've got the capability to customize and make it your own. So enjoy your tour, and I look forward to seeing you at the end.
That wraps up our tour of this townhouse, lagoon front facing, extremely unique. There's not going to be very many opportunities like these ones. I think you're going to see some pretty good appreciation and some pretty good value holding and a lot of these as well. So a little bit different style than maybe what you've seen on my channel before, but I know the Epperson community is extremely popular. Wesley Chapel is one of the fastest growing cities in the entire area of Tampa Bay. So hope you enjoyed this video. If I can be a resource to you in your journey, looking to be in the Tampa Bay area, my number's on the screen. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. Look forward to seeing you on our next video.